breaks with a golden tone, feels awake where the wild things roaming under the sun. So warm and wide, Jesus walks with love at his side. He kneels down low near a patch of clover, whistles once and the pups come over. From hounds to mutts, from shy to brave, he welcomes all with the love he gave. Oh, Saturday's a sacred day when tails wag in a holy way. From city streets to mountain fog, he's nourishing every kind of dog. With bread of joy and streams of grace, he pets each nose and licks each face. He feeds their souls with more than bone. The shepherd calls each pup his own. A beagle howls with a belly full, a lab leaps up with a heart so full. The shepherd dog sits at his knee, learning peace in the mystery. The terrier trots by the lion's side, even the strays with nowhere to hide. They find their place, no judgment given, just pause and praise in the light of heaven. Oh, Saturday's a sacred day when tails wag in a holy way. From city streets to mountain fog, he's nourishing every kind of dog. With bread of joy and streams of grace, he pets each nose and licks each face. He feeds their souls with more than bone. The shepherd calls each pup his own. Some were beaten, some were lost, some bore scars from a heavy cost. But Jesus knows each tender frame, he heals their hurts and calls their name. Pit bulls grin and poodles prance, in heaven's park they all get a chance. No chains, no fear, no angry bark, just love unleashed in effort. He whistles twice, they come to rest on holy ground in Sabbath blessed. And in the quiet soft and deep, he lays them down for sacred sleep. Oh, Saturday's a sacred day when tails wag in a holy way. From every breed and every land, they find his grace in loving hands. He feeds their souls with more than bone. The shepherd calls each pup